Just wanted to make a video today because I couldn't find much out there on it, but I had an issue with my Arctic Cat Alterra 400. It's a 4x4 2016 where the display wouldn't start up at all. I don't know if you can see. Just turn the key on, nothing would light up, and it wouldn't turn over. Ignition's dead. However, the lights work, battery's still good. My plow would still go up and down. So I had to trace back, find where the fuse box was. And typically you'd think it'd be up under the seat here, but there's nothing there. So after a little digging, I found it. And so I was just gonna put it out there to show everybody. Alright, so first thing you have to do, you have to take off these bolts here. So you can take this off. So you take the bolts off of this, get that off. Once you do that, you can pop this here off. And you pop that off and get in there. And you can see it's right there. Now, I pulled it out just so I could show you, but there's one for the ignition right here. So once I just pop that back in there, fuse box back together. As soon as you do that, she's up and running. And so, just as easy as that, that's how I fixed her. And she's up and good. And she starts like a charm. And that's how you fix your ignition problem on your Arctic Cat. Another thing I've noticed too with the Arctic Cat is it likes to sit for about 5 minutes in the cold. She doesn't like to be in the cold. So you gotta let her warm up. Once she's warmed up, should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And leave any comments. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try and answer them. Alright, see you next time.